Do you want to start your own taxi business? Do you need everything to start your taxi business like outstation, normal taxi, auto booking, bike booking, share ride and everything? Then check out our latest app that we have created for you where you can start everything like outstation, intercity, share ride, refer and earn, car booking, auto booking, bike booking, live tracking and everything. Yes, let's check out our latest application that we have created for you to start your own taxi business and you can launch it anywhere in the world. And yeah, let's get started. So this is our application where you can choose your location and you can choose any vehicle like rickshaw, car, bike and any more vehicle you can add like this. You can select your vehicle and now you can choose your pickup and your drop location. You can search easily on map just like this. You can choose any location. You can use map or you can search like this. It will show you some places. And now as it's a in-driver clone, so you can control your price. That means the system will tell you approx price and you can give your best offer. The application has a lot of payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Paystack, Mercendo, Flutterwave, and much more like Razorpay and more. You can connect with us for more detail. And now you can see I choose cash. I enter my offer, what offer I want to give. In this application, a customer will give an offer. The drivers will get this offer and now they will give their own offer. And whichever offer you like, you can accept. And this is the share ride section where you can choose outstation private ride when you are booking the whole car. Similarly, you can choose your pickup location and drop location. And now you can choose how many passengers are going, when you are going, and you can also offer your price just like in Drive. So if you are looking for a complete taxi application 2023 version with highest feature, then you can directly connect with us. Number is showing on the screen so we can help you the best. Similarly, you will get all the gateways. And yeah, click on ride and that's how you can make a ride on our latest taxi app. You can also make a share ride. Just enter your pickup and drop location, number of passenger, rate, and yeah, that's how you can book a share ride. Share ride means a ride can be booked, a taxi or bike, whatever vehicle you are booking can be booked by multiple people. That means you can book one seat by yourself, another person can book one seat by himself. Then one car is having two people riding on it. That is called share ride. That is available in the latest taxi application 2023 version. If you want to make your application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. You can also mail us on this mail ID for more information. We will give you the complete Android app, user, Android driver, iOS user, iOS driver, admin and website, and 1 year free technical support with complete source code. For more, kindly contact us. And that's how you can book a share ride booking. You can choose cash, Stripe, Razorpay, anything that is available in the current application. In the application, we also have parcel booking. So you can choose your pickup and your drop location and enter the sizing and more and make a booking. And that is how our ready to launch taxi app is working, where you can book normal ride, outstation and everything. A driver will give you the options, the prices. You can choose whichever prices you like, give the OTP to driver and get started. You can also recharge your wallet like this. You can see some settings like this, like multi-language and much more. You can also refer to a friend and when that friend will make a booking and enter your refer ID while registered, you will get some points that you can use in the next booking. And that is how our ready to launch taxi app is working. And now let's check out how the other detail will work in this app. That is how you get offers by different driver. You can see the driver name, you can see his vehicle, you can see his pricing. You can accept the ride or you can reject it. And that is how you can give a rating to the driver. And that is how you can see the complete detail of your trip. You can also add a coupon code like this which admin has added. And now let's understand how the driver app will work. A driver can create an account on the application and he can upload all the documents like this. He can upload the photo, the number and much more. When he is online, he will get bookings as per the locations of the customer. If he is a car driver, he will get the car booking. If he is an auto driver, he will get an auto booking. And that is how a driver can make his bidding. And yeah, then he can go to the customer location, take the OTP, and he can complete the ride. And that is how a driver can get a review. And that is all about our ready to launch in-driver clone latest version application. If you want to start your own taxi app, this is the best option for you. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so we can help you the best. This is the admin panel where you can see total riders, total drivers, total earning and much more. You can also see your all registered users like this, and you can see all your rides like this. For more, kindly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.